Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we are going to see demo call, expiry special demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's 18th August. It's a weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So tomorrow the calls which you are able to see on screen, I have already given to my clients. So these calls we are going to follow for tomorrow's expiry and how to trade on these calls. What is the system of trading these calls? I'm going to discuss in detail. Before that, let me show you. This is my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. If you search Sunil Suklal Pawar on YouTube, then you will find this channel. And if you type Sunil Pawar share market, then also you will find this channel. So finding this channel on YouTube is very easy. You can type my name, share market, Sunil Pawar share market, Sunil Pawar stock market. You will find this channel. On Telegram, the biggest advantage of joining this channel, YouTube channel, is you will get free demo calls here. Intraday, positional, all types of demo calls are given here, and also the performance is also updated. Telegram. On Telegram, Sunil Pawar Option King. You need to search Sunil Pawar Option King. The benefit of joining Telegram channel is you will get free demo calls here also, and every day the performance is updated. Performance of my paid calls is updated on this Telegram channel, so you can check that also. So these calls are given to the clients, and what is the system of trading on these calls? There are simple 5 rules. See, basically in my services, clients are given the calls, entry point, target 1, target 2, stop loss, and also the clients are given a complete trading strategy. How the client is going to trade on these calls, that is also told in advance. These are advance calls. These are advance calls means these calls are given one day before to the paid client. Every day the calls are given one day before in the night. So 18th August calls the client will get on 17th August itself. So let us check the rules quickly. The first rule is entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. It means if Nifty call 16,600, if crosses 53.78, then target 1 is 70.42, target 2 is 87, stop loss is 37.13. Nifty put 16,600, if crosses say 43.67, the target 1 is 60.31, target 2 is 76.96, stop loss is 27. So either call will cross the entry price or put will cross the entry price tomorrow morning after 9:15. So here we are not buying call or put both. We are buying only call option or put option, whichever is crossing the entry price. If option opens with little gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level. If option opens gap up and hit target, then avoid the trade. For example, Nifty call is 16,600. 53 is entry price, but it opens, let us say, at 60. Then what the trader will do? Trader will wait for 53 to come, and then trader can take position at 53. So with little gap up, you can wait for the given buy level. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. Means, for example, trader entered into call option, for example, and target was not hit, but it has hit the stop loss. In that condition, what the trader will do? In that condition, if the stop loss hit, if the stop loss in call option is hit, exit the trade immediately on the stop loss itself. Wait for put to activate. If put crosses the entry price, then the trader will buy double quantity of put, or if put does not activate and call again activates, then trader will buy double quantity of call option. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 PM with stop loss on cost. If, for example, trader entered into Nifty call 16,600 at 53.78 and target 1 70.42 is hit within 2 hours, then the trader, if he has bought two lots, one lot he can book on target 1, other lot he can carry till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. If any call or put opens above target, then avoid these calls. New calls will be given at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. It means if Nifty call or put, whichever, either call or put, whichever, if hits target in opening itself, in first 1 minute target is hit, or Nifty call or put, anyone opens above the target straight away, then in that case just avoid these calls and wait for new calls. New calls will be given by 10:15 to 10:30. In that period the new call will be given. So same for Bank Nifty. If Nifty call opens above the target, then avoid put also. So do not trade the put also. I mean, if for example Nifty call 16,600, if opened at 71 means above target 1, and then Nifty started falling down and put activated, do not trade that put. The table should be ignored if call or put opens above the target or hits the target in opening itself. So friends, these were the rules. So let us see what happens tomorrow, and do share all these channels and videos with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and this knowledge. You can contact or WhatsApp me on my number 98908 12070. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Thanks.